What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Ethereum and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Ethereum here, and as we can see, still in a massive uptrend. Things going really well, aren't they? You can see quite clearly, ever since the March crash, we've been in a huge uptrend here, respecting this channel that we've been in pretty much perfectly. You can see we came down recently near the bottom of the channel, and we have got the bounce recently as well, which is really good to see. Obviously getting really oversold on our daily time frame, and it seems as though obviously since then we have started to get the bounce. You can see we were in this big falling wedge, weren't we? We broke out, we come back up to the 55, we come back down, we double bottom here, basically retesting this support at around $1,700, and then since then we've been on an absolute tear, haven't we? We've been saying, Ethereum really needs to have a bit of a cooling off period because it's basically just been going straight up. You can see that we broke out of this channel here that we formed. We basically came down on the 19th of May, didn't we? Had that huge crash. We come up here, we formed the top of our channel, which we couldn't break. It came down, and obviously since then we came down double bottom. We've come up and broke out the channel, really good to see, and back tested it as support. And since then we've kind of been trying to grind to the upside, but in reality we've been running out of steam, haven't we? There've been some bearish divergences in the short term on these time frames, although the momentum to the upside has been increasing somewhat over the past few months. And you can see it looks as though, we're having to roll back to test some support, aren't we? Which is exactly what we've been saying that needs to happen. Yesterday was a bit of a doji candle, nothing day. If we take a look here, you can see we basically had a candle of indecision. We had a few days of downwards price action after coming up to around, what is this, $3,350, which was actually this area of resistance here. Pretty much the top of the larger channel, you could say, ever since May. Ever since we had that May crash, you can see we come down here. Obviously come down and made a larger channel, something like this, where essentially we broke this first bit of resistance here. We back tested it nicely. We come up to the second bit of resistance where we formed this in around 19th of May. And obviously since then we've got rejected to come back down, looking for support, aren't we? Because Ethereum's been on an absolute tear, as we keep saying, and it was looking shockingly like this, which was a bit of a concern because obviously it basically opens you up to a lot of downside by not making much support on the way up like this. But it does look as though Ethereum is starting to roll over here, basically looking for some lower levels, basically looking for some some support to make some structure on the chart. And you can see we're bouncing currently on the 20, which is obviously really bullish for continuation. So we're coming back and we're looking for levels of support, and we did say in our last video yesterday that $2,900 level, the previous resistance of the top of the channel flipped into support, would be very bullish, wouldn't it? If we came down, we consolidated above this previous resistance as support for a while and then started to go again. That'd be really nice to see, because obviously it shows Ethereum making a lot of structure on the charts. But it's really difficult to know what's going to happen in the short term. But this is actually more of something that we did really want to see for Ethereum. Basically, having a bit of a cooling off period, because let's be honest, we've been going pretty much up in a straight line, and we really did need to see a bit of consolidation, maybe even a bit more of a correction, something like this, before another continuation. Because you can see what's happened on the chart, can't you? We've had a high, lower low, lower high. We've had a slightly lower low here, lower high, and then we've had our same low, haven't we? So we've bottomed out here essentially with that W double bottom, and then since then we've made an absolute rip, haven't we? We made a higher high, but we really need to see that higher low being made and another bounce for the higher high for that trend reversal. On these larger time frames, that'll be really, really bullish. And we do strongly think that, you know, with Ethereum cooling off like this, there's probably going to be a bit of a back test maybe for a week or so, and then another rip, most likely, considering, you know, the sentiment in the market's really, really good, isn't it? So Ethereum looking really strong. You can see on this daily chart here that it's fully reversed out of this bottom. This bottom that it has been in that range that we were stuck in for a few months. So, I mean, on this macro time scale, you can see pretty much every single time we've come to the bottom of the channel, we have actually just had a really nice bounce to the upside, haven't we? We've come back up. And you can see pretty much perfectly touching the bottom of the channel here for Ethereum. We've actually had a really, really nice bounce to the upside. We've come all the way up basically back to the middle of the channel here, haven't we? Something like this. And now we need to make that, we need to have that consolidation and backtest some levels of support, don't we? So that we can have another run up. Because if we just keep going and going and going like this, we're not going to make any support, and we'll probably just fall all the way back down if that's the case. Because, you know, we're not making really any support at all here, are we? Just green candles for like 2 weeks straight, and it's good to see us having a bit of a consolidation and correction period here. Because to be honest, as much as, you know, it's fun to see Ethereum go up every single day 10%, it really isn't sustainable. And what you really want for top quality projects and projects that you're invested in general is, you know, sustainable, steady growth with big periods of growth and then consolidation and pullbacks. And you can see on the macro timescale, this is the case. Obviously, the massive March crash. We've recovered, consolidated for, you know, a month or so here. Big move to the upside, another really long consolidation period, another huge move to the upside here, a period of consolidation, and then another huge move here. And we've had a bit of a correction here because we got really overextended, didn't we? And now it looks as though, you know, we're just grinding our way back to the upside, aren't we? So things on a bigger time scale looking really good. For the short-term price prediction, we would say Ethereum really needs to be looking at retesting some support. This $2,900 level would be a really, really good level, in our opinion. And then obviously going into the remainder of the bull run, as we keep saying, we do strongly think, you know, considering these fib extensions, that Ethereum could be looking at, you know, at least 10K, maybe 15 or 20K. If we're looking at the top of this macro channel going into December, January time, you can see we're looking at probably, you know, 15 or 20K for Ethereum. So update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.